I understand the enthusiasm of every one of you here. What you want is to see that our party regains its in the affair of things in the country. It's the right thing. And if we have to get it done, those things that need to be done, put in place properly, we as a party must first of all do those things. But unfortunately, we find ourselves in a situation where we are putting the cart before the horse, rather than putting the horse before the cart. So it's a problem. But when the youths have decided to take this very serious issue into their hands, I believe that the elders of the party at this point will understand that it is important for us to look into the issues affecting the growth and unity of our party. We on our own part, we're doing our best in the state to make sure that the true soul of the party is kept alive. And when I say the true soul, you understand that we are not adulterated, we are the true PDP. We have some set here who might claim that they are PDP, or what they call them is the APDP. But ours is not that. We still remain the PDP. And we're doing everything to make sure that we still stand. We've had some cases where our loyalty were being questioned. But desperate situations also require desperate measures. So maybe a few things we must have done in the course of ensuring that we continue with governance doesn't mean that we are not in PDP, but we must ensure that we allow our government to move on. I might not need to explain those things to you. I believe you understand what I mean. But I will appeal to everyone, in as much as we're trying to come together, to fight, to make sure that our party regains this place. It will also be proper that we don't burn the house that we already have. And that house, I mean, is the country. We'll try as much as we can, every one of us, to do what we need to do. Let the house still remain. Because if the house doesn't remain, I wonder what you are coming to claim. You understand? We must work together, protect, keep aside our ethnic differences, religious differences, and understand that the success of this country belongs to every one of us. It doesn't matter the color of your skin. It doesn't matter the language that you speak. It doesn't matter where you find yourself, the geographical region. But what is important is for all to come together. When it comes to the issue of politics, our differences will come. But to make sure that the soul of this state, I mean the country, survives, we must come together and work as one. That is what I believe in. And some people might say, call it one Nigeria. We must all believe in one Nigeria, not sectional Nigeria. So I want to appreciate you, what you're doing. Maybe if you had started this early enough, we wouldn't have been where we are today. That is the truth. But it's still not late. It's better late than never. So I want to thank every one of you.